Attention glitz, fear nots, and icons. This video is to spread awareness about Illit, LE SSERAFIM, and Kotsai's situation to fans who may not be aware of it. If you're not familiar with the situation, here's what happened. Illit, LE SSERAFIM, and Kotsai are planning a meetup to meet some of their fans, but some toxic bunnies are planning to give Illit plushies. What's the problem? Well, they've injected them with a chemical that can damage the idol's lungs. They're not only planning to do this to Illit, but they're also planning to do it to LE SSERAFIM and Kotsai. Please share this message with all the glitz, fear nots, and icons you know. Post it, share it in the comments of their videos, or even make a video yourself to get this information to Hybe. Cosmo out.